Abundance of rhubarb and you don't love the taste of it to just eat it, what do you do with it? Well, you come up with recipes to utilize it so that it doesn't go to waste. Today we are going to start with rhubarb simple syrup. Let's get into it. We're going to chop up 3 cups of rhubarb and we're going to combine it with 2 cups of water and we're going to get that shit simmering. Okay, so our rhubarb it came to a boil and it's been simmering for probably about 15 minutes and the rhubarb is super soft. So we are going to dump it into a bowl with a fine mesh strainer to just get all of the juices out. Put your pan back on the stove because you're gonna put your juices back into the pan with sugar and we're gonna make our simple syrup complete. Get all your juices out. I just kind of pushed it around. Now this glop that's left, if I still had chickens, I would be feeding it to them. I don't, so this shit's just going in the trash. You want to do something with it, more power to you. Our liquid back into the saucepan. I'm doing about 1.5 cups because there's not nearly as much liquid as I originally thought there was going to be. Typically, when you make a traditional simple syrup, your ratios are 1-to-1. So 1 cup syrup, 1 cup sugar, let it cook down, voila. So I didn't measure out my liquid. It looks a little less than 2 cups to me. So I just did about 1.5 cups of sugar. Listen, I never said my recipes were healthy. I said they were delicious. So, you know, if sugar's not your jam, move along. So we are going to let this simmer down until all of that sugar dissolves into the liquid, and then we will have our delicious rhubarb simple syrup. Dissolved, and now we are just going to let it cool, and then we will transfer it into a container. Now that our syrup is all nice and cooled down, we're just going to pour this into a container for easy use. Stay tuned for the hell do I do with all this rhubarb videos.